Damage is avoided by properly assessing the product, and then you can decide how firmly to grip it. You have to assess the product correctly. Then you have to decide whether to use suction cups or gripping tools. And then we can also decide how fast the product can be moved at all. What can the product handle? The use of 3D printers represents a tremendous advancement. The whole process becomes much lighter, and you can precisely adjust the shapes. The tools are very easy to change using the bayonet lock. There are no long waiting or downtime periods.